Magnitude 6.5 earthquake hits northeastern Taiwan on Sunday, October 24. A magnitude 6.5 earthquake hit Yilan County in northeastern Taiwan with no reported casualties. According to the Central Meteorological Office of the island, the earthquake occurred at a depth of 66.8 kilometers at 13:11 local time, 01.05 GMT, in Nanyo municipality in Yilan. Shortly thereafter, there was a second earthquake in Datongu, another municipality in the same county, with a magnitude of 5.4 at a depth of 67.3 kilometers. According to the Meteorological Service, no property damage or earthquake casualties have yet been reported. Ground vibrations were felt in many parts of Taiwan, including the capital city of Taipei. Taiwan is located at the confluence of the Philippine and Eurasian plates, so earthquakes are frequent on the island. In 2021, natural disasters have become more frequent. We are seeing climate change in many countries around the world. It is not known how 2021 will end.